Hello, today I want to introduce you to the activity feed in WeBrand. This log is available in every workspace and helps you keep track of all key actions happening across the platform. You can find the activity feed in the upper right corner of the tabs menu. With the feed, it's easy to search for or filter activity by user, group, collection, template, project, folder, or asset. You can also filter by specific actions, such as adding or removing users, creating new groups, inviting team members to a workspace, automating templates or collections, publishing or moving new content, and unpublishing or archiving content. You'll get real-time updates on user activity, so you can see whenever someone copies, creates, edits, or moves a template or brand asset. This feature gives your brand complete visibility and control over your business's creative assets and team activity, all in one centralized location.